What's up guys, I'm Sean. Welcome back to Fix My Home channel. Today I want to show you how you make a concrete and also how you make over your patio with the concrete. Very cheap, very nice. So let's start it. So best way to make a concrete is you just make a hole in the middle of the concrete and push the concrete to the side. You pour the water in the middle, and after that you slowly start to mix the water to the concrete. So that's the best way you can do it. There you go. So now we're gonna start to put in the concrete. So I already did one of them, so I'm gonna do another one to show you guys. This is the concrete is ready. So one thing you have to make sure, because you have to have a line and all these gaps should be the same. So the way I figure out, so it's easy. So make sure all these edges in front of each other. So this one is in front of that one, and this edge is in front of that. So that's where you're going straight. So it's good to check it with level 2 to make sure you're not going crooked, and everything is straight and smooth. So let's do it. So I'm here in Texas and the weather is very hot. So the concrete always has to have the water, and water is very important. If you don't have enough water in your concrete, so the concrete getting bad in future. So I'm gonna add the water here, so that's why the water doesn't get evaporated, or because the ground is dry, doesn't suck all the water in the concrete. So I'm gonna make it wet, and now I'm gonna pour the concrete on that. So to have a nice surface on the top, so we have to tap the concrete on the top, so the water get on the top and you smooth it, so you have a smooth surface on the top. On the side, if you want to have a nice smooth surface too, you just hit it on the side, and the water is gonna, the same thing is gonna come on the cover the concrete on the side, so you're gonna have a nice smooth concrete. So we're gonna wait a couple minutes, so to let the concrete dry a little, and after that it's ready to take it out.